Arrive in style with this 2009 Volvo S40 2.4i. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are radio data system, rear window defroster, anti-whiplash front head restraints, bumpers, body color, power steering, body side moldings, and moonroof. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.